Your question is the Keshwanand Bharti case is important because your options are A. It sets aside the orders of the executive, B. The Supreme Court interpreted the basic features of the Constitution, C. It brought the Union government in the dock, or D. None of the above. Right answer is B. The Supreme Court interpreted the basic features of the Constitution. Your question is which constitutional amendment act reduced the voting age from 21 years to 18 years? Your options are A 61st, B 62nd, C 63rd, or D 64th. Right answer is A 61st. Your question is which of the following constitutional amendment acts was termed as mini constitution? Your options are A 42nd, B 44th, C 46th, or D 50th. Right answer is A 42nd. Your question is the Supreme Court of India initiated the doctrine of basic structure of the Constitution in. Your options are A. The Golaknath case in 1967, B. The Sajjan Singh's case in 1965, C. The Shankari Prasad case in 1951, or D. The Keshwanand Bharti case in 1973. Right answer is D. The Keshwanand Bharti case in 1973. Your question is which of the following constitutional amendment is related to the fundamental duties? Your options are A 42nd, B 44th, C 46th, or D 50th. Right answer is A 42nd. Your question is when were the fundamental duties mentioned in the Constitution? Your options are A at the time of framing of Constitution, B on 26th January 1950, C in the 42nd Constitutional Amendment, or D in the 41st Constitutional Amendment. Right answer is C in the 42nd Constitutional Amendment. Your question is the Constitution 98th Amendment Bill is related to. Your options are A. Empowering the Centre to levy and appropriate service tax, B. Constitution of the National Judicial Commission, C. Readjustment of electoral constituencies on the basis of the population census 2001, or D. The demarcation of new boundaries between states. Right answer is B. Constitution of the National Judicial Commission.